Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download app from App Store without asking Apple ID password. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So as you can see, when I try to download any app from App Store, it asks for the password every time. So here we check, as you can see it's asking for the Apple ID password. So how to get rid of this problem and install app in your iPhone, iPad or any other device without asking Apple ID password? So let me show you guys how can you do that. So first of all, open the setting app in your iPhone. So here scroll down and tap on screen tab. Again scroll down and now tap on content and privacy restriction. So make sure that content and privacy restriction is turned on and now tap on iTunes and App Store here. So as you can see here is the required password and always required don't required. So select the don't required here and now go back all the way here. So here tap on Apple ID profile and now tap on media and purchases and password setting. So as you can see here the free download and required password. So turn it off and wait here for a few seconds. So now go back to the App Store and we try again. So as you can see here is the app. Tap on install. As you can see app is installing right now successfully without asking Apple ID password. So if you have any problem let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.